I am making a kind of coffee drink. It's called Dalgona coffee, Dalgona coffee. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it is amazing. It's basically a whipped coffee served on top of milk. So I just added 2 tablespoons of very hot water to a bowl. I'm gonna add a heaping tablespoon of coffee, along with, how much sugar was it, Paige?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of sugar. It's so nice to be able to consult my daughter. And then a little bit of vanilla. I'm actually gonna add a very generous spoonful. And then guess what you do? You whip it for at least 3 minutes, and I'm gonna start right now. I'll start it on a lower speed, just until you can be sure you're not gonna get all splashed. This is a really great, gorgeous kind of coffee. Have you seen it, Stu, on the internet? Have you seen it, Paige?
Yes, it looks so good. I haven't tried it.
So you can see that it's already starting to kind of get thicker. So this is about a minute in, and look how much the color has already changed. Wow. We're 2 minutes in now. Oh my gosh, how good does that look, you guys? I just want to make sure it's really stiff. I like stiff drinks. All right, what do you think, Paige?
Looks great.
Is that, look, it kept the shape of the little beaters. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. So, in terms of serving this up, start with a little bit of ice. And this is actually an iced coffee drink. I'm sure you could serve it over warm milk and it would be delicious too. I'm gonna go the ice route. So fill the glass. Look at this. It's amazing. And from what I understand, you have to kind of act fast. This really won't stay whipped like this for very long. So you wanna have the stuff ready to serve right when it finishes whipping. Paige, if you tell me not to keep piling this on top, I won't listen to you. Okay, it kind of looks like a little ice cream sundae, doesn't it? But look, then you just go down like this, give it a little stir. And I think that was plenty. Can I take a sip now, Paige? I actually really love it. It's honestly everything I thought it would be. It is so good.